Like or similar terms either have exactly the same variables with exactly the same exponents or are constants. So here we have an expression that we need to simplify by combining like terms if present. In the first term, a is to the third, b is to the second, and here we see we have a similar term because we have exactly the same variables to the same exponents. Using the distributive property then, 5 minus 3 leaves a 2, a to the third, b to the second. Next term, we have a to the second power, b to the first, and the similar or like term here. So we can combine these two terms using the distributive property, taking the coefficient positive 2 minus 7 and combining them to result in a negative 5, a to the second, b to the first for our simplification of this term.